Gurubhyo Namaha. We finished till 20, verse number 20, no? Start from verse number 21. Today mostly we will be able to finish this third chapter. Only 44 are there. In the 2 is Uvacha, so 22. 22 verses. Okay? Yevam samkshiyamanetu स्वसैन्य महिषासुरः एवं संक्षीयमाने तु स्वसैन्ये महिषासुरः माहिषेन स्वरूपेण त्रासयामास तान् गणान् माहिषेन स्वरूपेण त्रासयामास तान् गणान् कांचित् तुण्डप्रहारेण कुरक्षेपैस्तथा परान् लाङ्गूलताडितांश्चान्यान् See, 1 second, how it is split. After seeing the destruction of his army, he takes the Mahisham Rupam, his original Swarupam of Mahisham. So with his snout he tries, the Tunda Praharana, with his snout he was jostling all the Shaktika army. And Kshurakshepa, with his hoofs, he was kicking people. Langula means his tail. Langula Taditam. Taditam is something flashing it, like with his tail. He was, many people fell down because of the way he was thrashing it. Langula Tadisam Chanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidharitam. When the Sandhi comes, here the Sandhi is important. Sandhi is Chanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidharitam. When the Sandhi comes like this, Chanyan Shrunga, Chanyan Shrunga, in Shrunga. Okay? Actually it is Shrunga. Shrunga means his horns. Shrunga is his horns, and when the Sandhi comes, it is not, when I am splitting and teaching, I will say Shrungabhyam, but when you are going to recite together, it is in Shrungabhyam. In Shrungabhyam. Okay? Langulataditam chanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidharitan Langulataditam chanyan Shrungabhyam cha vidharitan Now listen carefully how I am saying it, okay? Langulataditam chanyan sringabhyam cha vidharitan. Tan chanyan sringab inch no in inch nya, okay? Inch chanyan sringabhyam. Langulataditan chanyan sringabhyam cha vidharitan. No sringabhyam. Sringa, sringabhyam. Because I want you people to learn it. Splitting and learning, while learning is fine, but learn the sandhi also, sandhi, wherever it comes, try and repeat it. Langulatadidam chanyan sringabhyam cha vidharitan. Consciously say sringabhyam, okay? Sringabhyam. Better, much better. Vegena kanchidaparan. Nadena brahmanena cha. Vegena kanchidaparan. Nadena brahmanena cha. Vegena kanchidaparan. Nadena brahmanena cha. Kanchitaparan. Yeah. Kanchitaparan. Kanchita. Vegena kanchitaparan. Nadena brahmanena cha. Nisvasa pavane nanyan. Patayamasa bhutale. His caliber, they are saying. Only with his snout he could like thrash people. With his tail he could thrash. He was kicking people with his hoofs. The blast of breath that he is breathing out, that also made people fly. People not only fly, mountains fly. That will also come now. Mountains fly. His caliber, they are just saying how powerful he was. These are all the things that they are saying. The speed with which he runs and the sound that he creates. Everything was like, making everybody go around. They're scared. He was so huge and his capacity was so such. People were scared. Like mere, he has not gone to fighting at all. Mere this initial warming up only is creating so much of problems. That is what they are saying. Like Nisvasa pavane nanyan patayamasa bhutale. Nisvasa pavane nanyan patayamasa bhutale. Nisvasa pavane nanyan patayamasa bhutale. Nipatya pramadanikam. Nipatya pramadanikam. Abhyadhavata sosuraha. Nipatya pramadanikam. अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः
निपात्य प्रमथानीकम् अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः
अभ्यधावत not abhya अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः
अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः
निपात्य प्रमथानीकम् अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः
निपात्य प्रमथानीकम् अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः निपात्य प्रमथानीकम् अभ्यधावत सोऽसुरः
सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्याः
सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्याः सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्याः.
All this while Ambal was keeping quiet. The moment he came to the lion, she got angry. Simham hantum mahadevyah.
सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्याः सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्याः.
Kopam chakre thathombika.
कोपं चक्रे ततोऽम्बिका कोपं चक्रे ततोऽम्बिका.
Simham hantum mahadevyah. Kopam chakre thathombika.
सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्याः कोपं चक्रे ततोऽम्बिका. सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्याः कोपं चक्रे ततोऽम्बिका.
Sopi kopan mahavirya.
सोऽपि कोपान् महावीर्य सोऽपि कोपान् महावीर्य.
Kurakshunamahitalah.
कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः.
If you have observed the characteristics of a bull, buffalo, not only buffalo or bull, that cattle itself, they will start hitting the ground with the things, so to gain that speed, and like that he was kurakshunna mahidalaha, that he is hitting the ground with his hoofs. Sopi kopan mahavirya kurakshunna mahidalaha.
सोऽपि कोपान् महावीर्य कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः सोऽपि कोपान् महावीर्य कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः.
Shrungabhyam parvatanucham.
शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां
Arms like parvadanuchams chikshepha chananadacha. Shrungabhyam ucha means high, like with his not jumping, with his horns he was taking the mountains and throwing it in the sky. Shrungabhyam parvatanucham
शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां
chikshepa chananadacha.
चिक्षेपजननाद चिक्षेपजननाद.
Shrungabhyam parvatanucham chikshepa chananadacha.
शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चां चिक्षेपजननाद
Chikshepa chananadacha.
चिक्षेपजननाद चिक्षेपजननाद.
Vega brahmana vikshunna.
वेगभ्रमणविक्षुण्णा वेगभ्रमणविक्षुण्णा
Mahitasya vashīryata.
महीतस्य व्यशीर्यत महीतस्य व्यशीर्यत.
Vega brahmana vikshunna mahitasya vyasīryata.
वेगभ्रमणविक्षुण्णा महीतस्य व्यशीर्यत वेगभ्रमणविक्षुण्णा महीतस्य व्यशीर्यत.
Langulena hataschabdhi. Langulena hataschabdhi.
लाङ्गूलेन हतश्चाब्धि लाङ्गूलेन हतश्चाब्धि.
Langulena hataschabdhi plavayamasa sarvatah. Plavayamasa sarvatah. He just slashed his tail on the oceans, and ocean water was like, it became overwhelming and it was everywhere. Langulena hataschabdi. Abdhi means ocean. Langulena hataschabdi plavayamasa sarvatah. We will read this line. Yevam samshiyamanetu swasainnye mahishasuraha mahishena swarupena trasayamasa tan ganan kanchit tunda prakharena kurakshepaistatha paran langulataaditamschanyan shrungabhyam cha vidaritam vegena kanchitaparan nadena brahmanena cha nishvasa pavanenanyan patayamasa bhutale nimatya pramadanikam abhyadavatasosuraha simham hantum mahadevya kopam chakre thathombika sopi kopan mahavirya kurakshunna Shrungabhyam parvatanucham chikshe bhajananadacha vega brahmana vikshunna mahitasya vyashiryata langulena hataschabdhit plavayamasa sarvatah. Got it? Dudashrunga vipinnascha khandam khandam yayurghanaah. He is shaking his horns, head, though the clouds were like, breaking into pieces and getting dispersed. Dudashrunga vipinnascha khandam khandam yayurghanaah. Dudashrunga vipinnascha khandam khandam yayurghanaah. Swasa nilasta shadasho nipetur nabaso chalaha. The mountains that flew, no, because he was blowing out his air and it fell in pieces, shadasho, hundreds of thousands of pieces, it fell from the sky. He was just, how beautiful the lyric is to explain how powerful he is. And we have to understand the enemy is very, very powerful. Our ego is the most powerful thing in this world. That is why it has taken that Mahisha Rupam, no? Svasa nilasta shadasho nepur nipetur nabaso chalaha.
नभसोचलाः श्वासादिलासाशयशो निपेतुर्नभसोचलाः
इति क्रोध समाद्मातम्
इति क्रोधसमाद्मातम् इति क्रोधसमाद्मातम्
आपतन्तं महासुरम्
आपतन्तं महासुरम् आपतन्तं महासुरम्.
With inflated anger, he is approaching Amban. Iti krodha samadmatam apatantam mahasuram.
इति क्रोधसमाद्मातम् आपतन्तं महासुरम्.
Decide whether you want to say mapatantam or apatantam. Say it together the same way. Apatantam is comfortable, say it apatantam. There is nothing wrong. The meaning is not going to change and it is only a simple im plus a. So it is okay. Iti krodha samadmadam apatantam mahasuram.
इति क्रोधसमाद्मातम् आपतन्तं महासुरम्. इति क्रोधसमाद्मातम् आपतन्तं महासुरम्.
दृष्ट्वा सा चण्डिका कोपम्
दृष्ट्वा सा चण्डिका कोपम् दृष्ट्वा सा चण्डिका कोपम्
तद्वधाय तदाकरोत्.
तद्वधाय तदा करोत् तद्वधाय तदा करोत्.
So she also increasing her anger. Equal, no? You have to be on par with him. Drishtva sa. That is why that you have to observe all this while they were saying Ambika and all this was. Now Chandika. To say that she is angry, they use the word Chandika from now on. Drishtva sa Chandika kopam tadvadhaya tadakarot.
दृष्ट्वा सा चण्डिका कोपम् तद्वधाय तदा करोत्. दृष्ट्वा सा चण्डिका कोपम् तद्वधाय तदा करोत्.
साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशम्
साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशम् साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशम्
तं बबन्ध महासुरम्.
तं बबन्ध महासुरम् तं बबन्ध महासुरम्.
साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशम् तं बबन्ध महासुरम्.
साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशम् तं बबन्ध महासुरम्. साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशम् तं बबन्ध महासुरम्.
तत्याजमाहिषं रूपम्.
तत्याजमाहिषं रूपम् तत्याजमाहिषं
He is a coward, no? The moment he put the pasam to bind him, immediately he left his Mahisha Rupa and took. Then he took the Gajarudam, Gaja next, Simha Rudam. Tatyajamahisham Rupam.
तत्याजमाहिषं रूपम् तत्याजमाहिषं रूपम्.
Sopi Baddho Mahamrudhe.
सोऽपि बद्धो महामृगे सोऽपि
Mrudhe, not Mrge, Mrudhe. Sopi Baddho Mahamrudhe.
सोऽपि बद्धो महामृगे सोऽपि बद्धो महामृगे.
Tatyajamahisham Rupam. Sopi Baddho Mahamrudhe.
तत्याजमाहिषं रूपम् सोऽपि बद्धो महामृगे. तत्याजमाहिषं रूपम् सोऽपि बद्धो महामृगे.
Then he takes the Simha Rupam. Tata Simho Bhavatsadhyo.
ततः सिंहो भवत्सद्यो ततः सिंहो भवत्सद्यो.
Yavat Tasyambika Shirah.
यावत् तस्याम्बिका शिरः यावत् तस्याम्बिका शिरः.
Tata Simho Bhavatsadhyo. Yavat Tasyambika Shirah.
ततः सिंहो
how deluding, it is, ego is evasive. That is what it is. You just find some other reason to establish your ego. If this reason is fake, gone, then you want to take some other reason to establish it, but you cannot get rid of your ego, no? No? That is why he is taking different forms. Every time she is killing him, every form he is, even then, that comes out, no? That is beautiful. It is, how the poetry of it is so beautiful. So, Tata simho bhavat sadhyo yavat tasyambika shiraha.
Tata simho bhavat sadhyo yavat tasyambika shiraha. Tata simho bhavat sadhyo yavat tasyambika shiraha.
Chinatti tavat purusha.
Chinatti tavat purusha. Chinatti tavat purusha.
Khadgapanira drishyata.
Khadgapanira drishyata. Khadgapanira drishyata.
Chinatti tavat purusha. Khadgapanira drishyata.
Chinatti tavat purusha. Khadgapanira drishyata.
Khadgapanira drishyata.
Khadgapanira drishyata. Khadgapanira drishyata. Chinatti tavat.
Repeat it. Chinatti tavat purusha.
Chinatti tavat purusha. Chinatti tavat purusha.
Khadgapanira drishyata.
Khadgapanira drishyata. Khadgapanira drishyata. Chinatti tavat purusha. Khadgapanira drishyata. Chinatti tavat purusha. Khadgapanira drishyata.
Tatha evashu purusham.
Tata evashu purusham. Tata evashu purusham.
Devi chichedasayakaihi.
Devi chichedasayakaihi. Devi chichedasayakaihi.
He comes with, after Simham, he comes with a man with holding a sword and a shield. That also Devi kills. Immediately after that, he takes the inflated ego. No, he takes the rupam of.
Devi is already killing him or subduing?
No, what happens? It's not subduing. He is evasive. He is evasive because if you see so, first Mahisham Rupam and then immediately different sizes. The moment she puts that pasham only to bind the Mahisham Rupam, suddenly he changes into him, but that pasham goes wasted. Like every time, like when she kills him as a lion's head, she tries, the moment it happens, before the head falls down, he takes the Purusha Rupam. Again, she kills the Purusha Rupam and he takes the Gaja Rupam now. Karena cha, that is the one. No. Tam khadga charmana sardham.
Tam khadga charmana
Sardham. Okay. Tam khadga charmana sardham. Okay. Tam khadga charmana sardham.
Tam khadga charmana sardham. Tam khadga charmana sardham.
Tadasobhun mahagajah.
Tadasobhun mahagajah. Tadasobhun mahagajah.
Tam khadga charmana sardham. Tadasobhun mahagajah.
Tam khadga charmana sardham. Tadasobhun mahagajah. Tam khadga charmana sardham. Tadasobhun mahagajah.
Karena cha mahasimham.
Karena cha mahasimham. Karena cha mahasimham.
Chakarsha. Tam chakarsha jagarjacha.
Tam chakarsha jagarjacha. Tam chakarsha jagarjacha.
करेण च महासिंहं तं चकर्ष जगर्ज च
करेण च महासिंहं तं चकर्ष जगर्जश करेण च महासिंहं तं चकर्ष जगर्जश.
We will repeat this line. Okay. दुदशृङ्गविभिन्नाश्च खण्डं खण्डं ययुर्गणाः स्वासानिलास्ता शदशो निपेतुर्नभसोऽचलाः इति क्रोधसमाद्मादम् आपतन्तं महासुरम् दृष्ट्वा सा चण्डिका कोपं तद्वदाय तदाकरोत् साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशं तं बबन्धमहासुरम् तत्याजमाहिषं रूपं सोऽपि बद्धो महामृधे ततः सिंहो भवत्सद्यो यावत् तस्याम्बिका शिरः चिनत्ति तावत् पुरुष खड्गपाणिरदृश्यत तत एवाशु पुरुषं देवी चिच्चेदसायकैः तं खड्गचर्मणा सार्धं ततः सोऽभून्महागजः करेण च महासिंहं तं चकर्ष जगर्ज च. कर्षतस्तु करं देवी
कर्षतस्तु करं देवी
खड्गेन निरकृन्तत because he is lifting the Gajarupam is lifting the Simham and trumpeting loudly like Gajam, no? So loud noise it was making. She goes and she cuts it's not Simharu. Simham it was lifting. That Gajarupam was lifting the Simham. So he goes and cut his trunk. Karshatastu karam devi khadghena nirakruntada.
Karshatastu karam devi khadghena nirakruntada. Karshatastu karam devi khadghena nirakruntada.
Tato mahasuro bhuyo. Mahisham vapurastitaha. Now he is taking the Mahisha Rupa again. After the Gajam, he comes back to his original Rupa. Tato mahasuro bhuyo Mahisham vapurastitaha. Tataiva Shobhayamasa. Trailokyam Sacharacharam. Tataiva Shobhayamasa. Trailokyam Sacharacharam. Tatha kruddha jaganmata. Chandika panamuttamam. Tatha kruddha jaganmata. Chandika panamuttamam.
Chandika
Papau punah punashchaiva.
Papau punah punashchaiva. Papau punah punashchaiva.
Jahasarunalochana.
Jahasarunalochana. Jahasarunalochana.
So every weapons that she is holding, she is using it. Here, wine, panam uttamam. So she drank that wine and her eyes and all got red. That is what they are saying. Papa punah punaschaiva jahasarunalochana.
Papau punah punashchaiva. Jahasarunalochana. Papau punah punashchaiva. Jahasarunalochana.
She's taking a break, looks like, because he's continuously changing. No? So she wants to drink.
And he has actually tried to catch her lion, no?
No. First lion and she cut the trunk. That is over.
The lion
Then
came back to Mahisha.
once the trunk was, lion came back to her. Once the trunk got hurt, he changed into Mahisharupa. So she is taking a break now. He has come back to the original form. Now it is time to take. Before that, let me have a drink. Papa punah punaschaiva jahasarunalochana.
Papau punah punashchaiva. Jahasarunalochana. Papau punah punashchaiva. Jahasarunalochana.
Nanardacha surasopi. Balavirya madhodutah. No, wait. Balavirya madhodutah. His ego is now, because he has been so evasive, so his ego is now boosted. Balavirya madham. See, these are all the rajas aspect, or every aspect of rajas they have included in this. You will see it on Thursday. Nanardacha surasopi balavirya madhodadah.
Nanardacha surasopi balavirya madhodadah. Nanardacha surasopi balavirya madhodadah.
Vishanabhyam cha chikshepa.
Vishanabhyam cha chikshepa.
Chandikam pratibhudharam.
Chandikam pratibhudharan.
Vishanabhyam cha chikshepa. Chandikam pratibhudharan.
Vishanabhyam cha chikshepa. Chandikam pratibhudharan. Vishanabhyam cha chikshepa. Chandikam pratibhudharan.
Sachatan prahitam stena.
Sachatan prahitam stena.
Churnayanti sharotkaraihi.
Churnayanti sharotkaraihi.
Sachatan prahitam stena. Churnayanti sharotkaraihi.
Sachatan prahitam stena. Churnayanti sharotkaraihi. Sachatan prahitam stena. Churnayanti sharotkaraihi.
Sachatan uvachatam madhodhuta.
Uvachatam madhodhuta.
Uvachatam madhodhuta.
Uvachatam madhodhuta. Uvachatam madhodhuta.
Mukharagha kulaksharam.
Mukharagha kulaksharam. Mukharagha kulaksharam.
Uvachatam madhodhuta. Mukharagha kulaksharam.
Uvachatam madhodhuta. Mukharagha kulaksharam.
देव्युवाच गर्ज गर्ज क्षणं मूढ मधु यावत् पिबाम्यहम् गर्ज गर्ज क्षणं मूढ मधु यावत् पिबाम्यहम्
गर्ज गर्ज क्षणं मूढ मधु यावत् पिबाम्यहम्.
Till I drink my potion, you keep screaming, no problem, because I am going to come and kill you now. That's what she said.
First time Devi is speaking in this entire scripture.
Yeah, this is the first time. Maya, because this is a very, very important. Mahishasura Vadham is the most important aspect next to Shumba, equal to Shumba and Nishumba. So Chandamunda, Shumba, Nishumba, they're all big asuras. So Mahishasura Vadham is always supposed to be the most. So that is the reason she is coming and talking before actually. She gives a chance. See, I'm going to kill you now. She's giving him a warning. That verbal warning he is giving. Maya garja garja kshanam mooda madhu yavat pibhamyaham.
Garja garja kshanam mooda madhu yavat pibhamyaham. Garja garja kshanam mooda madhu yavat pibhamyaham.
Maya tvayi hatestraiva. No, hatetraiva, not hates. Maya tvayi hatetraiva.
Maya tvayi hatetraiva. Maya tvayi hatetraiva.
Garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Garjishyantyaashu devataah. Garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Garjishyantha is one word. So Garjishyantyaashu devataah. She screamed at him that I am going to now kill you. Make sound as much as you want now. Maya tvayi hatetraiva garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Maya tvayi hatetraiva garjishyantyaashu devataah. Maya tvayi hatetraiva garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Garjishyantyaashu devataah. Garjishyantyaashu devataah.
Garjishyantyaashu or Yatyanshu?
Yantyashu, yan. Garjishyantha is the
Na comes first and then comes the Garjishyantyaashu.
yeah, first na, then it, then it. First in, then it. Garjishyantya is a word. Garjishyanta is the word. Garjishyantyaashu devataah. We will repeat this page, okay? Karshatastu karam devi kadgena nirakruntada tado mahasuro bhuyo mahisham vapurastitah tataiva chobhayamasa त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तथा क्रुद्धा जगन्माता चण्डिका पाणमुत्तमं पपौ पुनः पुनश्चैव जहासारुणलोचना ननर्दचासुरः सोऽपि बलवीर्यमदोद्धतः विशानाभ्यां च चिक्षेप चण्डिकां प्रतिभूतरान् सा च तान् प्रहितांस्तेन चूर्णयन्ती शरोत्करैः उवाच तं मदोद्धूत मुखराघाकुलाक्षरम् देव्योवाच गर्ज गर्ज क्षणं मूढ मधु यावत् पिबाम्यहम् मया त्वयि हतेऽत्रैव गर्जिष्यन्त्याशु देवताः. Rushiruvaच. Now it is concluding part of this section. Okay. Rushiruvaच. Eva muktva samutpatya sarudham tam mahasuram Eva muktva samutpatya sarudhatam mahasuram Padena-kramya kante cha She's spinning down. She just climbed on him. Arudha. She mounted on him and pinned his neck with her leg. Pinned him down. So Padena kramya kanteja. With her leg, she put her feet on his neck and put him so he doesn't move, pinning down like Padena kramya kante. Because this word, you will, when you hear that explanation, you will understand how the ego gets pinned down at certain point of a time, so it gets vanquished. Pinning down, that way the spinning down is very, very important. Padena kramya kante cha Shulenaina mathadayat Padena kramya kante cha Shulenaina mathadayat Tatasopi padakrantas Taya nijamukhat tatah Tatasopi padakrantas Taya nijamukhat tatah Taya nijamukhat tatah Ardha nishkranta evasid Ardha nishkranta, halfway through. Ardha nishkranta evasid Devya viryena samvritah Ardha nishkranta evasid Devya viryena samvritah
अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासीत् देव्या वीर्येण संवृतः अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासीत् देव्या वीर्येण संवृतः
अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ
अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ
युध्यमानो महासुरः
युध्यमानो महासुरः युध्यमानो महासुरः
अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ युध्यमानो महासुरः
अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ युध्यमानो महासुरः अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ युध्यमानो महासुरः
तया महासिना देव्या
तया महासिना देव्या तया महासिना देव्या
शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः
शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः
तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः
तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः.
When you are doing the Parayanam, this line has to be repeated twice.
Oh, that's why.
That is why they have put 2 there. Okay? Because this is where, first she just pierced the shulam into him. He is half dead but still fighting. It's not fully gone. So she, Asina, Mahasina, with her great sword, she cut his head.
In Mahishasura, is there any weak spot or something like?
No, not like that. First, she gives you the piercing through the shulam. Always says, like, she gives the knowledge first. That knowledge, it doesn't help. The ego has to be physically taken off. That is why the head is. That is the way of saying, like, when the head is taken off, when the head is cut, it means that your ego is completely gone. So she physically does it in the end. So this line has to be repeated when we do the Parayanam twice. Okay. Taya mahasina devya shiraschitva nipatitaha.
तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः
ततो हाहा कृतं सर्वं
ततो हाहा कृतं सर्वं ततो हाहा कृतं सर्वं
दैत्यसैन्यं ननाशतत्
दैत्यसैन्यं न नाशतत् दैत्यसैन्यं न नाशतत्
ततो हाहा कृतं सर्वं दैत्यसैन्यं ननाशतत्
ततो हाहा कृतं सर्वं दैत्यसैन्यं न नाशतत् ततो हाहा कृतं सर्वं दैत्यसैन्यं न नाशतत्
प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुस्
प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुस् प्रहर्षं
प्रहर्षं च
प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुः प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुः
सकला देवता गणाः
सकला देवता गणाः
प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुः सकला देवता गणाः
प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुः सकला देवता गणाः प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुः सकला देवता गणाः.
We'll finish this because there's only one verse behind it. तुष्टुवुस्तां सुरादेवीं
तुष्टुवुस्तां सुरादेवीं
सह दिव्यैर्महर्षिभिः
सह दिव्यैर्महर्षिभिः
तुष्टुवुस्तां सुरा देवीं सह दिव्यैर्महर्षिभिः
तुष्टुवुस्तां सुरा देवीं सह दिव्यैर्महर्षिभिः तुष्टुवुस्तां सुरा देवीं सह दिव्यैर्महर्षिभिः
जगुर्गन्धर्वपतयो
जगुर्गन्धर्वपतयो
ननृतुश्चाप्सरो गणाः जगुर्गन्धर्वपतयो ननृतुश्चाप्सरो गणाः
जगुर्गन्धर्वपतयो ननृतुश्चाप्सरो गणाः जगुर्गन्धर्वपतयो ननृतुश्चाप्सरो गणाः
ओम इति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे
ओम इति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे
सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे
सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे
देवी माहात्म्ये महिषासुरवधो नाम
महिषासुरवधो नाम
तृतीयोऽध्यायः.
तृतीयोऽध्यायः.
You will repeat the last page and then you will repeat the entire thing once. ऋषिरुवाच एवमुक्त्वा समुत्पत्य सारूढां तं महासुरम् पादेनाक्रम्य कण्ठे च शूलनैनमताडयत् ततः सोऽविपदाक्रान्तस्तया निजमुखात्ततः अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासीत् देव्या वीर्येण संवृतः अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ युध्यमानो महासुरः तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्छित्त्वा निपातितः तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्छित्त्वा निपातितः ततो हाहाकृतं सर्वं दैत्यसैन्यं ननाशतत् प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुः सकला देवतागणाः तुष्टुवुस्तां सुरा देवीं सह दिव्यैर्महर्षिभिः जगुर्गन्धर्वपतयो ननृतुश्चाप्सरो गणाः. ओम इति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये महिषासुरवधो नाम तृतीयोऽध्यायः. We'll recite whatever we have learned today one more time from the beginning. 21, verse number 21. एवं संक्षीयमाने तु स्वसैन्ये महिषासुरः माहिषेन स्वरूपेण त्रासयामास तान् गणान् कांश्चित्तुण्डप्रहारेण कुरक्षेपैस्तथा परान् लाङ्गूलताडितांश्चान्यान् शृङ्गाभ्यां च विधारितान् वेगेन कांश्चिदपरान् नादेन भ्रमणेन च निःश्वासपवनेनान्यान् पातयामास भूतले निपात्य प्रमदानीकम् अभ्यधावतसोऽसुरः सिंहं हन्तुं महादेव्या कोपं चक्रे तथोऽम्बिका सोऽपि कोपान् महावीर्य कुरक्षुण्णमहीतलः शृङ्गाभ्यां पर्वतानुच्चांश्चिक्षेपजननाद च वेगभ्रमणविक्षुण्णा महीतस्य व्यशीर्यत लाङ्गूलेनाहतश्चाब्धि प्लावयामास सर्वतः दुदशृङ्गविभिन्नाश्च खण्डं खण्डं ययुर्गणाः स्वासानिलास्ता शदशो निपेतुर्नभसोऽचलाः इति क्रोधसमात्मादमापतन्तं महासुरम् दृष्ट्वा सा चण्डिका कोपं तद्वदाय तदाकरोत् साक्षित्वा तस्य वैपाशं तं बबन्धमहासुरम् तत्याजमागिषं रूपं सोऽपि बद्धो महामृधे ततः सिंहो भवत्सद्यो यावत्तस्याम्बिका शिरः छिनत्ति तावत्पुरुष खड्गपाणिरदृश्यत तत एवाशु पुरुषं देवी चिच्चेदसायकैः तं खड्गचर्मणा सार्धं ततः सोऽभून्महागजः करेण च महासिंहं तं च कर्षजगर्ज च कर्षतस्तु करं देवी खड्गेन निरकृन्तत ततो महासुरो भूयो माहिषं वपुरास्थितः ततैव क्षोभयामास त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरम् ततः क्रुद्धा जगन्माता चण्डिका बाणमुत्तमम् पपः पुनः पुनश्चैव जहासारुणलोचना ननर्द चासुरः सोऽपि बलवीर्यमदोद्धतः विशानाभ्यां च चिक्षेप चण्डिकां प्रतिभूतरान् सा च तान् प्रहितांस्तेन चूर्णयन्ती शरोत्करैः उवाच तं मदोद्धूत मुखराघाकुलाक्षरम् देव्युवाच गर्ज गर्ज क्षणं मूढ मधु यावत् पिबाम्यहम् मया त्वयि हतैत्रैव गर्जिष्यन्त्याशु देवताः ऋषिरुवाच एवमुक्त्वा समुत्पत्य सारूढातं महासुरम् पादेनाक्रम्य कण्ठे च शूलेनैनमदाडयत् ततः सोऽपि पदाक्रान्तस्तया निजमुखात् ततः अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासीत् देव्या वीर्येण संवृतः अर्धनिष्क्रान्त एवासौ युध्यमानो महासुरः तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः तया महासिना देव्या शिरश्चित्वा निपातितः ततो हाहाकृतं सर्वं दैत्यसैन्यं ननाशतत् प्रहर्षं च परं जग्मुः सकला देवतागणाः तुष्टुवुस्तां सुरा देवीं सह दिव्यैर्महर्षिभिः जगुर्गन्धर्वपतयो ननृतुश्चाप्सरो गणाः। ॐ इति श्रीमार्कण्डेयपुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये महिषासुरवधो नाम तृतीयोऽध्यायः।